Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're exploring Grok4, the latest and most powerful AI model released by XAI. This model has been making headlines not just because of its raw intelligence, but also due to its advanced capabilities, tool integrations, and pricing that's stirring up the AI world. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through everything you need to know: what Grok4 is, its performance on tough benchmarks, what makes it stand out, how much it costs, how to access it, and even what's coming next from XAI. Let's get started. Grok4 is XAI's most advanced artificial intelligence model to date, and it's being called the most powerful AI model in the world right now. Created by Elon Musk's AI company XAI, Grok4 is part of a broader movement to develop frontier models that not only answer questions but reason, interact, and learn in more human like ways. It's a huge leap forward from Grok 3 or Grok 3 Mini, both in capability and architecture. Grok 4 is built specifically for reasoning. There is no simpler, non reasoning version available, so expect slower responses but far deeper understanding and logic in return. Now let's talk performance. One of the most impressive things about Grok 4 is how it fares against some of the toughest benchmarks in AI. One benchmark that stand out in humanity's last exam. This was developed by Scale AI and is considered one of the hardest tests for any AI model, featuring high-level questions in math, chemistry, linguistics, and more. For reference, a decent human score on this test would be around 5%. Grok 4 in its text only form scored 26.9%, but when tool usage was enabled, its performance skyrocketed even more. What does that mean? It means Grok 4 doesn't just guess answers, it reasons, calculates, and searches using built in tools to arrive at more accurate and complex solutions. This is where things get exciting. One key direction for Grok 4 and really for the future of LLMs is combining language models with tools. Instead of just relying to your prompt, Grok 4 can use internal tools and APIs. This includes searching the web, retrieving documents, and even running code to give you a better, more accurate answer. And while tool calling increases test time compute, meaning it takes more time and money to generate answers, the results are dramatically better. This opens up a whole new classes of AI agents that can act, search, and solve tasks in real time. So, how does Grok 4 compare to other big names? On benchmarks like GPQA, Amy, and Live Code Bench, Grok 4 outperforms many of its competitors, including OpenAI's GPT-4, Google's Gemini, and Anthropic's Claude. In fact, on the Amy benchmark, a difficult reasoning test, Grok 4 scored a perfect 100%, and when comparing to other models with no tools enabled, Grok 4 still leads in most categories. However, a fair comparison would be Grok 4 with tools against other models with tools. That kind of comparison hasn't fully rolled out yet, but the early signs show Grok 4 is ahead of the pack in multimodal and agentic reasoning. Let's talk pricing because this is where things get a little controversial. Now, to access Super Grok or Grok Heavy mode, which unlocks all the advanced tool calling and reasoning capabilities, it will cost you around $300 per month. That's right, that's triple what most people are used to pay for ChatGPT Plus or Claude's Pro tier. To compare, OpenAI GPT-4 Turbo tier is $20 to $200 per month. Claude 3 Opus $20 to $200 per month. Google Gemini Advanced costs $250 per month, and Grok 4 Heavy is $300 per month. Is it really worth it? That really depends on your use case. If you're doing high level development, research, or AI powered business automation, the price could be justified. But for casual users, there's also a lighter Grok 4 mode just for $30 per month. Another fun feature is the voice mode. XAI demonstrated Grok 4's voice capabilities, and it was surprisingly good. You can tell it to whisper, sing, or respond with natural sounding speech. Compared to OpenAI's ChatGPT voice assistant, Grok 4 felt more responsive, faster to reply, and slightly more human like in its tone and delivery. This is part of the growing trend of voice assistants becoming real time companions that sound and react like humans. Grok 4 also performed well on a few unique real world simulations. On the ARC AGI benchmark, which tests general intelligence, Grok 4 scored just under 16%. That's nearly double the performance of Claude 4 and significantly better than other models in its class. On Vending Bench, a simulation of running a vending machine business, Grok 4 not only lasted the longest but also reliably increased its net worth over time. That's a fun benchmark, but also a meaningful test of a long term strategic thinking. Under the hood, Grok 4 supports a massive 256,000 token context window. That means you can input huge documents, entire books, large databases, long conversations, and it can still keep track of everything. This is critical for applications like legal analysis, research, code refactoring, and long form writing. It also has access to frontier multimodal reasoning. Right now, it supports text and is starting to roll out voice and image understanding. Video understanding is in the pipeline, and that's where things will get even more advanced. Now, here's what's coming from XAI in the near future: a dedicated coding model. This will be optimized for software development, debugging, and writing large code bases. A multimodal agent. This will integrate text, voice, image, and video inputs into a single assistant. A video generation model. This is the big one. XAI plans to use 100,000 NVIDIA GB200 GPUs to train this model, likely making it the largest video AI training project in history. If that sounds like sci fi, you're not alone, but it's real and it's happening really soon. So, how do you get started? There are two ways to try Grok 4. So, first one is via X Premium. If you're subscribed to X Premium, around $8 to $10 per month, you may already have access to basic Grok functionality. The second one is via Grok.com, so visit the official site and choose between $30 per month Super Grok tier or the $300 per month Grok Heavy plan with agentic tool use. For developers, API access is also available, but be aware Grok 4 is always a reasoning model. It takes more time per request, but delivers deeper and more accurate responses. Now, let me know in the comments what you think. Are you excited to try Grok 4? Do you think it's worth $300? Would you switch from GPT or Claude? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Introducing Grok. Create dynamic, branded QR codes and pages with just one click. Give local businesses a much needed QR upgrade with smart, beautiful QR codes, AI QR pages, biz cards, and in depth tracking. Grok helps businesses get more scans, better insights, and more profits with advanced QR technology. Get more scans with color codes. Get both static and dynamic QR codes. Create any kind of QR. Update links instantly, no reprint required. Get analytics and vital marketing data. Build your own QR powered pages with point and click ease. Ready to go QR pages, no hosting required. Short, usable URLs make QR codes easier to scan and share. Create QR menus for your business. You can even put your business profile on a QR code. You can collect customer feedback with a QR code. Share images, videos, PDFs with QR. Grok improves your business performance no matter what your niche. So what are you waiting for? Get Grok now. Just go to getgrok.in.